Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to enable 2FA on Discord. So first, what you want to do is go to your user settings here and scroll down till you see the enable Authenticator app right here. And Authenticator app is to protect your Discord account with an extra layer of security. Once configured, you'll be required to enter your password and complete one additional step in order to sign in. What you want to do is click on Enable Authenticator App and put in your password just like so. Click on Continue, and as you can see, you can either download the Authenticator app by download install Authy or Google Authenticator for your phone or tablet. For me, I use Google Authenticator, and also you could scan the QR code right here. Just open your Authenticator app and scan the QR code here, or manually put the 2FA key right here. You could also log in with your code. So, like, an SMS will be sent when you log into Discord. So you could try anything here. You could go with this one. But first you need to connect your phone number to do that. But if you don't have your phone number, just like me, you could go with the Google Authenticator, which I have. So you just need to go click on it, either by clicking on it or scan the QR code. And once you scan the QR code, there will be a code shown to you, and that particular code refreshes every like a minute or so that if you log into your Discord, you will need that code to be manually typed so that you could log into your Discord. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.